welcome to a guide for turbine ice landing. If you don't know what that is, well, you're about to find out. So don't excuse the senior operator here, he's just, he's just there. Yeah, it's pretty simple. I'll just show you how to ice land the turbine. There really isn't much more to it. Alright, prepare for disconnection from the grid. Sometimes you get a phone call, sometimes you don't. We didn't. You get about 5 minutes to do this. That's public or private server, so if it's like only you there, or there's like inexperienced personnel or whatever, make sure you have water control. Also, once that timer starts, it's best to lower reactor power to 20% as fast as you can. We are at like 100% power, so to make it go down faster, we can actually turn off the recirc pumps. And look at that power drop, holy moly! What? Uh-oh. Okay. Also, don't forget to leave your set point on the rise option. Alright, we have a bit of a vacuum problem over here. Let's just go ahead and do that. There we go. Bring that flow. We need to really bring that flow down. Oh dear. Okay, turn off plug number 2. You might not have to do this if you don't decide to raise power, or sorry, lower power as fast as I do. Okay, looking good. We don't care about the data, it sucks. Huh. That's not good. Alright, auto control's dealing with that. Anyways, once your power's at like 25%, once as well that it's actually 23, that's good. You can go ahead and start sorting out the generator load thing. Oh my god. Okay, it did not do this the last time I recorded this. This is carnage. Like I was saying, once your load is below, once your power is below 25%, you can start sorting out your generator load thingy. We'll do this by turning off pressure control, auto pressure control, and opening the bypass actually. I usually go for about 20% bypass. You may need more if your power is a little bit higher or lower, or whatever. After that, close your steam tunnel inlet. Be careful with this, by the way. Oh my! Yeah, be careful with that. It's a very sensitive one. The precise thing that I recommend using, it's way less sensitive. And our site usage today is about 18 megawatts. You want to get as close to that as possible. You won't have to be spot on, don't worry. 5, 30, 28. That'll do. Wait, no, we're at like 18. Let's go for a bit lower. If time pressure starts to rise, give a little more bypass. Don't be afraid to give a little more bypass. 120 seconds to a disconnection. Okay, that means we have loads of time. We're government got, so we can give it a bit more. 22, 19. Alright, once you'll once your load is close enough to the site usage, we are pretty dang close. Let's get the breaker and immediately enable auto accelerator control. Very important you do that, otherwise, if you're not dead on, your turbine rotation speed will start to rise. So, sync scope's a bit unnecessary, you can turn it off. And after the gym break is off, you're pretty much just off the grid. That's it, we now have another 78 seconds to just laze around before we start getting points. Also, you can turn off bus speed if you want to be power efficient. Just, of course, be careful because it will lower your load significantly. Also, another thing I would recommend doing is do not turn off auto accelerator. That's simply because, as you'll notice, load is always changing, which means your RPM will also change a little bit all the time as well. And if you don't monitor this, you could trip the turbine due to the RPM being too high or low. and then these breakers will turn off and you have a bad day. That's about all there is to it. Also, if you're wondering why the gem breaker allows you to iceland it, it's because the gem breaker is actually here. It's number 52 right there. As you'll notice, it's after this little line for both bus A and bus B transformers, so that's how you iceland it. It's simply because that breaker only controls the grid breaker. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's really that simple. Also, pretty good idea to turn on the reset pumps. Be careful with those though, I'm pretty sure they do draw a bit more load. Alright, it was like maybe a megawatt for both of them. Make sure I just slope the... Ah, how convenient. What could that be? Yeah, I know we get that. Ah. Expected phone calls arrived, you've been disconnected from offset power. Due to system fault, we are working to resolve the issue. Very nice. That's all there is to it. Why is our polisher so used? Oh my god. Okay. We'll fix that later. Alright, well, we can now watch our sweet points come in. Just remember, if you do turn off your accelerator, you're very likely to shut the turbine. It does not remove any auto, negative point thingy. And that's pretty good actually, so if you leave it on, it won't deduct any points. That's all there is to it, so. It's a pretty simple little thing to do. The only bit that's really hard is just getting your time management right. But again, 5 minutes really is enough time to do this, so even at max power. If you do have an RBWR Unit though, haha, good luck.